a lot of Nigerians have been very, very happy. Most people have been saying it that PayPal is back in Nigeria as of December 2025. But it's not everybody that is happy about this particular news, because some people are saying, why are they back by this time? They did not value us in Nigeria, they devalued us, and people miss a lot of clients and a lot of opportunities, because most platforms need PayPal. PayPal that was available was just to send money, but you cannot receive payment in Nigeria. According to the information I have gathered already, PayPal can now receive payment in Nigeria. Okay, so I want to create a new PayPal account right here live in this particular video. So that's what I want to do. So let's see if this will work or this is not going to work. If this works, I'm going to create the account, carry the email, withdraw money from a particular app that I've been using that I have some funds inside. Then let's see if this is actually going to work. So if you want to see this, do also like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way, and make sure to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. You can just comment Happy Christmas, guys, and do also join my community. Click on that join button, support the channel, join the community. Can do me Christmas, just click on the join button there and do me Christmas in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. I really, really, really appreciate you. So let's get started. So for me to confirm this, I have to do some research. Okay, so I decided to ask Google, okay, is PayPal back in Nigeria? Google says yes. PayPal is available in Nigeria in 2025, and a recent update have significantly expanded its functionality for Nigerian users. I scroll down, it says current status as of December 2025. PayPal has officially lifted many of its long-standing restrictions on Nigerians' accounts. Okay, this is good news. How to use PayPal in Nigeria? Now, first of all, PayPal, we have two kinds of PayPal. We have the business account, as you can see right here, and we also have the personal account, as you can see. I'm going to try to create a new PayPal business account. I have my ID card with me. I think I have to create a new email address so that I can create everything at once from scratch. So as you can see right here, they say explore what PayPal offers in your location. So I'm going to click on explore, own a business, open a business account. So you can see this place where they said own a business, open a business account, create a business account. So I'm going to come here and enter my first name and my last name. Okay, enter phone number. Okay, this is my country code, which is Nigeria. Enter phone number. I'm going to put a phone number right here. After inputting my phone number, I'm going to scroll down here, enter email address. So I'm going to put one of my email addresses inside this particular box. I just input everything right now. I'm going to come here and agree to their terms of service, agree and continue, or agree and create. So let's see, security challenge. Let's see what will happen. So I'm going to confirm that I'm not a robot. Again, they say select bicycle. I don't know why these guys keep doing this to me. All right, so I'm just going to come here and click on verify. Let's see if that will be successful. Text you a code. Okay, so let me click on continue. They say enter the verification code we sent to this. So let me check my phone number. Okay, I think they just sent the code right now. I'm just going to come over here and input the code they sent to this phone number. All right, so let me input the code and let's continue. All right, that is 475 and 69. Okay, so I just enter that code and I'm going to click on confirm. They say you are all set. Okay, that's amazing. Activate your account to start using PayPal. All right. They say enter info about your business organization, share some personal info which describes you best. Individuals slash salesperson. Let me go with individual slash salesperson. Business type. Let me just put individual. They say fill us in on the basic Solomon. Okay, Solomon, what's your date of birth? I'm gonna come here and put in my date of birth, and let me put on this. I'm just going to scroll down here. They say what's your country, nationality, Nigeria. What's your phone number? I've already put that. What's your residential address? Okay, let me go ahead and put in my address right here. City, let me put my city. Let me go ahead and put my city. Okay, I've selected my state, so that's it. Let me select my state. That's it. So I've input my address and everything. So let me click on next. So take a moment to double check your address. So this is my address. Okay, click on confirm right there. All right, they say tell us about your business organization. Just use your full legal name for now. Say what's your business slash registration number, what do you sell, or what service do you offer? Digital goods and games. Let me go with that. Do you have a business website? No, I don't. What is the business address? This can't be a PO box. Use your residential address. Let me click on use my residential address. So let me click on next. Now maybe I missed something. I did not fill in one box. There's one box I did not fill in, but they still passed. Okay, congrats, you are all set. Now go to homepage. All right, say Solomon Okon, welcome to PayPal. This send money. So let me go ahead and click on view money page right here. Primary currency is US dollars. Credit and debit card. This is where you link your credit card and your debit card, to your account. Add a currency. Currency calculator. Let me add another currency. So I want to add pounds. Let me add British pounds. Let me add euro. Okay, I want to add pounds and euros. Let me click on add currency. What I can do now is for me to set up my account. So I don't know, will this PayPal account receive payment? That's the thing. Let me click on the notification and let me see what they ask us to do. They say we want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we notice some suspicious activities on your account. Okay, confirm email address. So I just confirm my email address, the email they sent to me. I just confirm the email. Okay, they say your email has been confirmed, continue. So let me just go ahead and click on continue. Next thing is for me to go ahead. They say we have noticed this. So the next thing is for me to go ahead and link and confirm my debit or credit card. And this other one, this they say see details. So let me click on the second or the first notification they gave me. They say we need some information, account impact. Let me see. So I cannot do all these things not until I fix the issue. Upload a photo ID. Good. So this is what I was scared about. So let me click on, they say upload a photo ID. They say document type. So let me just click on government issued photo ID. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to import my photo ID, or I can just go ahead and just take a photo of my photo ID. So I just submitted my information successfully, and they say go back to account. Let me click on view money page. Let me try to link my card. So I'm going to link a card, debit or credit card. I have a Clever account, so I'm going to use the card they give me, or the card Clever gave me. So I'm going to use that card right here to link into my account. I finally linked one of my cards. As you can see, I just linked this card successfully. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm actually linked the card successfully. I created this card using my Clever account. So I created this card from Clever. So I noticed that if you want to add your bank account, or you want to add your card, all these Clever and all these other apps, they have their own address. They have their own billing address. So you have to make sure you change the address. Let me click on confirm card. All right, so I don't know what I will do with that. Okay, so now I think I need to go to my card. They say I need to go and confirm my card. All right, guys, so after a little back and forth, I finally verified I linked my bank card, my Clever card, to my PayPal account. So I just linked it successfully. Now there is a problem. It looks so easy, just like creating an OP account. It feels so easy, right? It's either I am actually a victim of scam, or my brain is used to the struggle. That is the problem, because I don't really feel like this is legit, right? But anyways, I'm going to try it. I'm going to test it. So what I want to do right now, just for me to copy my PayPal email address. I really don't think this is going to work, but I don't think it will work. But let's confirm it. So for me to confirm it, I need to come over to there's one app that I'll be using right here, and this app has been helping me collect one or two, but I want to put this email there and place a withdrawal. So I've been using this app for months now, and it's been available, it's been active, but you can only withdraw through PayPal with Lovely Pet. So now we have PayPal in Nigeria. So I'm going to try to place my withdrawal. Are you requesting this from to this email address? This are you sure? Continue. Let me click on yes. All right, so let me click on yes. They say success, you should receive your payment within 3 business days. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. In 3 business days, if I receive this payment into that PayPal account, I'm going to let you guys know. So all what you have to do right now, just join my Telegram channel or join my WhatsApp community right now. If you want to see if I will receive it, right? I'm still surprised that it's actually this easy to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. To be sincere with you, I'm so shocked. If this works, I'll be very, very, very happy. If it doesn't work, well, it means we tried, right?